How to send money on PayPal to Venmo. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you send money on PayPal to Venmo. So even though the PayPal owns Venmo, there is no direct way to transfer money between the two mobile payment services. Using the same bank account for the Venmo and the PayPal provides an indirect method to transfer funds between them. To accomplish this, you will require a PayPal balance account, previously which was known as PayPal Cash or PayPal Cash Plus. If you have a verified PayPal account, you already have the ability to maintain a balance and are equipped to transfer funds into it. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to open the Venmo app, then navigate to the U tab and select Transfer Balance. Input the desired amount to transfer, then opt for instant or 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers will incur a 1.5% fee. Then choose your bank account and tap the green transfer button. Step 5 is to log into your PayPal. Then after access the wallet tab and choose transfer money. Select add money to your balance and pick your bank account, input the transfer amount and click add. So this was all about how can you send money on PayPal to Venmo. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.